doors of silent time, where shadows breathe and bells once chimed. Each step a story carved in grace, of souls who knelt in the same place. Golden frames and fading light hold the prayers of every night. I felt a hush so deep, so true, as if the past just gently knew. Whispers in the stone calling me home through sacred halls. I'm not alone. Every echo, every sigh lifts my heart a little high. In the stillness I have grown, listening to whispers in the stone. Ancient robes and silver worn tell of faith through loss and storm. Candles flicker soft and low, like quiet hearts that used to glow. Time may pass and voices fade, but here their memory is laid. And in this calm I clearly see a deeper part of what is me. Whispers in the stone calling me home through sacred halls. I'm not alone. Every echo, every sigh lifts my heart a little high. In the stillness I have grown, listening to whispers in the stone. Not a word, yet so much said in sacred dust and footsteps spread between the earth, the sky above. I felt the quiet pulse of love. Whispers in the stone, softly they roam through every heart that's ever known. Faith is more than what we see, lives in shared memory. And I leave, but I have grown, carrying those whispers in the storm.
Niżelna settur li kellna u dawn għal s-sajdu fil-prezent għandi seba' sewa u għandi 5 oħra li qegħdin barra nagħmel u għandi 5 oħra probabbli sas-sajf ikunu ħadmuhom ukoll. Ma stajniex nagħmlu għal studio u jieħed għal-restawru bħal finanzjament risorsi.
A reminder of my 3 books, for those who are interested to learn Maltese. You can find them or on Amazon or I can send them via email. In the description, you will find from where you can get them. Thank you.